Hey theme lovers, welcome back to another new episode of Mobile Funda's Top 3 HyperOS themes. Today I have brought for you top 3 amazing HyperOS themes that you can install to make your user experience even better. So let's find out which themes these are and what features they offer. But before that, if you have come to this channel for the first time, then like this video and also subscribe to the channel so you can get more amazing HyperOS themes in the future. Friends, let's talk about this week theme number 3, which is AP18 Super Depth of Field. And the lock screen of this theme appears in this layout with the 3D effect. Well, if we talk about the customization, then as soon as we double tap on this navigation bar, then we will get some customizations options here. First is wallpaper. Second is charging animation. Third is color customization, where you can customize clock, widget and calendar. And last, you can change their layouts by simply tapping on these arrows. Now let's move towards the home screen. We will see it in this layout with the same clock widget. The icons of this theme are in iOS style with rounded corners. And we also get to see some unique icons like the calculator, MI remote and a few others. The rest of the control center and settings menu are the same as the stock theme. Talking about theme number 2, it's codenamed Z26. And the lock screen for this theme looks something like this with the iOS 26 style clock widget. As for the customization, as soon as we double tap on this navigation bar, and you will see several customizations options here. The first one is the calendar, where you can change its position and layout. The second option is the clock, where you can change the style and color. And the third option is widget, which you can customize according to your choice. At the bottom, you will also see a few more options, like fingerprint option, icon theme mode, wallpaper, and some additional settings that you can try as you like. Next, let's move on to the home screen. You will see it in this layout with the same clock widget, and I feel this home screen is more organized compared to the other two themes. Also, the icons of this theme are in a classic iOS style with a liquid glass effect on the corners. Talking about the control center, you will see it with a liquid glass design, where the icons appear in blue and yellow colors with stock animation. Last but not least, if we talk about the settings menu, then it appears in the stock layout and you will see the icons in an iOS style. First and my favorite theme number 1 is CoolOS Raster wallpaper. And the lock screen of this theme will look something in this layout. Features a classic iOS style clock widget. As for the customization, as soon as we double tap on this navigation bar, you will see a wide range of customization options here, like wallpaper, clock widget, date format, and other widgets. In addition to that, there are several more customizations options at the bottom, such as system shortcuts, color option, and some settings that you can adjust according to your choice. If you swipe down from the top of the lock screen, you will see an iOS style control center. Similarly, if you swipe from left to right, you will see some info here as well. Next, let's move on to the home screen. Here you will see the home screen in this layout with the same clock widget. And this is the one I liked the most compared to the other two themes. The icons of this theme will be seen in a style similar to Realme UI plus ColorOS, which matches the setup quite well. Talking about the control center, it appears in a boxy layout with stock animation, giving it a neat and clean look. Lastly, the remaining setting menu appear in the stock layout with its icon based on the same theme. You will find the backup files for all these themes in the pinned comment below. Also, let me know which of these themes you liked the most in the comment. So these were today's Mobile Funda's top 3 HyperOS themes. I hope you liked these themes. If yes, then like this video and also share it with your friends. See you in the next video with another interesting theme. Till then, keep customizing.